Hi, got a minute? I'm Robert Dudley. For the last 8 years, I've been a family nurse practitioner at Minute Clinic, located inside CVS Pharmacy. Today, I'm here to talk to you about upper respiratory issues like cough and cold. Cold viruses typically cause a stuffy, runny nose, cough, mild fever, and headache. The flu can include these cold symptoms in addition to higher fevers, body aches, and increased fatigue. COVID-19 symptoms can show signs of both cold and flu, and there can be a quicker onset of shortness of breath in some cases. The most telling symptom is a loss of taste or smell. During my clinic visits, I do a thorough history of when the illness occurred, the background factors that contributed to it, and the patient's current health status, so I can provide treatment accordingly. When my time's up, but rest assured, a visit at Minute Clinic is always at your pace. We're here, and we care.